Okay, Kali is going to open this box.
Yay! Play-Doh, drill and wheel. Yay! Let's open it, Kelly. Wow, what we got?
We got this.
The head of Mr. Play-Doh. Yeah, look at that.
Put some flowers.
Have to join it together like this. What next?
Oh, we got toothbrush.
Yeah, we got toothbrush. What color is the toothbrush?
Red and
Red.
white. Red and white, Mommy.
Okay, the brush is white. Okay, there's a hole in the middle of the toothbrush so we can squeeze out the Play-Doh for toothpaste. Okay, now?
About Play-Doh.
Yes, the Play-Doh is ready.
You can squeeze.
Yeah, we can squeeze out the Play-Doh.
Put some Play-Doh.
Wow, lots of Play-Doh.
Empty now.
Okay, right here.
Put the mirror doctor.
This is the mirror.
And then what next?
And then what next?
Put the mold. We can make the tooth. Put them drill.
Drill, yes, that's the electric drill. I think we need the battery.
Oh, it's broken. What case broken?
No, it's not broken.
This the mold.
Yeah. That's the mold for making the braces.
Now give it to me.
Okay, I already put on the battery. Wow, now we can move the drills.
The mirror for checking that.
Yeah, for checking the teeth. The mirror for checking the teeth, right?
Like this.
Yes, like that. Okay.
It's empty now.
Okay?
Look at that.
Yes, it's empty. Yeah. Okay, Kelly. Mr. Play-Doh wants the teeth. Let's mold some teeth for him. Okay? We just open it. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. We will need lots of white Play-Doh.
I will make the tongue.
Yes. You made the tongue. And I will mold the teeth. Okay? Look at
I
that.
mold the teeth.
Oh, you want to mold the teeth? Okay.
I will use this
Yes.
white. This
Using this white Play-Doh. Make it circle. Make it round. Yes, and place it here in the middle of the mold. You need two. One. And then, yes. Two. Press it out. Oh my gosh. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, look. Okay, put it here. The big one goes here in the back. In the back, yes. And the smaller teeth goes in the front. Where's the smaller teeth? That's front. I think it's here. Yes. That's the smaller teeth. Okay.
I make them.
Yes, let's make some more cake. Now Mr. Play-Doh has the perfect teeth. Look at that. Complete set of teeth. Hey, wait, Mr. Play-Doh doesn't have the tongue. We have to make him a tongue. Come on, Kay.
So good. Good.
Okay, now, Kay, we have to make the Mr. Play-Doh the tongue.
What
it looks like.
Here.
Wow. Oh my gosh, what's that, Kaylee?
Cavity.
Oh my gosh, is there any cavity?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Open.
I think we need to drill.
Let me show you.
Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Real. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I think it's enough, Kelly. What are you eating, Mr. Play-Doh? It looks terrible. The cavity on your tooth, it looks so terrible. Oh my gosh.
Don't eat some candy.
Let's fill the cavity.
The braces is wrapped.
Like this. Look at that.
The brace is wrapped.
Yeah, the braces. You want to make the braces?
Yeah.
Okay, the braces. Okay, just use this. Press it. Yeah, tekan. Yeah, wow, look at that. Wow, Kelly is making the braces. This is the braces, Kelly.
No.
I got the braces here. Yeah. Putting the braces on Mr. Play-Doh teeth. Oh my gosh, yes. Dr. Kaylee.
How is your tooth? Oh my God.
Has got braces. Time to place the wire. I think we better use the different color. Okay, how about if we use green color?
I'll make the wire.
Yeah, make the wire.
I'll make your braces. Make the wire.
Yeah.
Here's the wire. Just look.
That so much cavities. We have to fill it with the fillings. We'd better use this color. Purple maybe.
Maybe purple.
Okay.
Mix. Purple mix pink.
It's okay. Let's make the fillings for Mr. Play-Doh feet. We have filled all your cavities on your teeth with the fillings. Okay, now we are going to brush your teeth, Mr. Play-Doh head. Brush it. Look! Okay. Time to brush your teeth, Mr. Play-Doh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Your teeth is so dirty. Yeah, don't forget to brush the tongue too. So your breath will not be so sting, Mr. Play-Doh. Yeah.
I have to carefully.
Yes. You have to brush your teeth carefully, Mr. Play-Doh. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what happened, doctor?
Oh, look at that. You're eating candy sweet.
Yes, you're eating too much candy. Oh, yes. Yes, I can see it. Oh my gosh, it's cavity.
Look.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, so dirty. Yes. Oh, I think we need to brush the Mr. Play-Doh teeth, doctor. Okay?
It's so stinky.
Oh, it's so sticky. Yes. You're so sticky. We're using the tweezer. Yes. Pull it out. Maybe.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Now what the Mr. Play-Doh looks like.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kaylee. Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Ingat